Okay, today we're going to be doing lesson 14, which is on prepositional phrases that are used as adjectival clauses or adjectival prepositional phrases. Okay, I know that sounds like a big word, but all that means is that it's working as an adjective. Okay, so it's describing a noun. So you see how we have right here a bundle of books. What kind of books? What kind of bundle? A bundle of books. Okay, so here we have the girl in the middle. Which girl? The girl in the middle. Because adjectives answer the questions which one, what kind, how many, whose. So which girl? The girl in the middle. Okay, and here this is an adverb prepositional phrase because it says where we put something. If it comes off of the verb, then it's an adverb prepositional phrase. Okay, but here we've got table. Which table? The table in the corner. So it's describing which table you're talking about. She put the vase on the table in the corner. Where did she put the vase? She put it on the table. Which table? The table in the corner. Okay. The water in the pot with the red handle is boiling. Okay. Which water? The water that's in the pot. Which pot? The pot with the red handle. Okay. So now I want you to do, go ahead and do number 1 here. And pause the video while you're doing number 1 and then unpause it and we'll check. Okay. Most people really liked the picture on the cover. Who really liked the picture on the cover? People. How many people? Most people. Okay, to what extent did they like it? They really liked it. So that is an adverb. Okay, so here's the prepositional phrase. Which picture? The picture that's on the cover. Okay, go ahead and do number 2. Pause the video. Okay, with good weather, the climbers will reach the top of the mountain in 3 days. Who will reach the top of the mountain in 3 days? The climbers will reach the top of the mountains in 3 days. What will the climbers do? They will reach. What will they reach? They will reach the top. Okay? How will they reach it? They will reach it with good weather. When will they reach it? They will reach it in 3 days. So that says how and when. So it comes off of the verb. And then which top? The top of the mountain. Okay, number 3. Brendan, do you know the weight of a gallon of water? Go ahead and pause the video. Okay, so this one is a question, so you have to sort of switch it around. Okay, first of all, we know we're talking to Brendan, which is a noun of a direct address. So we put it above. Okay, it's not really part of the sentence. Okay, so now you got to switch it around so that you can put the subject in the front. You do know. What do you know? You know the weight. Which weight? The weight of a gallon. Which gallon? The gallon of water. Okay, go ahead and do number 4. We'll read it together. That large box under the bridge is his home. Okay, pause the video. Okay. What is his home? the box, the large box. Okay, and is a linking verb because box and home are the same thing. Box equals home. Okay, and which box? The box under the bridge. Okay, which box? The large box. Which box? That box. Which home? His home. Or whose home, I should say. Alright, number 5. This picture on the wall survived the fire of the century. Go ahead and pause the video. Okay. Okay, what survived the fire of the century? The picture. So picture is the subject. Okay, the picture on the wall. Which picture? The one that's on the wall. Okay, survived what? Survived the fire. Okay, which fire? The fire of the century. All right, number 6. Most of the students did well on the first part of the test. Pause the video. Okay, this one's a little bit tricky because you might think that students did well on the first part of the test, but if it's in a prepositional phrase, then you know it can't be the subject because prepositional phrases are really not part of the sentence. So, who did well on the first part of the test? Most did well. Okay, so which most? Most of the students. Okay, and how did they do? They did well. And they did on the first part of the test goes off of part. Which part of the test? That one was a little confusing. Okay, number 7. Several passengers on the small boat became seasick. Okay, so who became seasick? Passengers. Okay, it's not in a prepositional phrase, so it can be the subject. Okay, so how many passengers? Several passengers. Which passengers? The passengers on the small boat. What kind of boat? Small boat. Okay, and became seasick. Became is a linking verb because seasick describes passengers. Okay, number 8. Today I bought 10 neon tetras for the aquarium in the family room. Okay. Who bought 10 neon tetras? I bought 10 neon tetras. So that's the subject. What did I do? I bought. I bought what? I bought tetras. What kind of tetras? 10. Well, neon tetras. How many neon tetras? 10. Okay, when did I buy them? Today. Okay, and I bought them for the aquarium. Okay, which aquarium? The aquarium in the family room.